I'm Meredith from Graco. I'm going to show you how to install your Premier Forever DLX Extend2Fit SnugLock 4-in-1 car seat featuring Anti-Rebound Bar, rear facing with a lower anchor attachment. To prepare your seat, first store the tether strap. Store the tether strap by attaching the hook to one of the storage bars on the back of the seat. If using the Anti-Rebound Bar, make sure it is securely attached at the front of the seat. Remove the lower anchor connectors from the storage location on both sides of the seat. Make sure the lower anchor strap is routed through the rear-facing belt path marked with the blue label, and make sure that the strap lies flat and is not twisted. Recline the car seat using the handle at the front of the seat. Place the car seat in one of the 4 rear-facing recline positions and make sure that it clicks into place. If using the extension panel for extra legroom, move the extension panel to the desired position. Make sure it clicks into place. Now you're ready for the vehicle. Place your car seat rear-facing in the vehicle. Make sure that the base of the car seat lies flat on the vehicle seat, and make sure that at least 80% of the base is on the vehicle seat. Do so by checking the blue label at the back of the car seat. Make sure your vehicle is on level ground. Check the level indicator to ensure it is in the blue zone. If it's not, adjust the recline. To easily access the rear-facing belt path, first remove the infant body support. Lift the seat pad out of the way. Open the SnugLock lock-off using the gray button at the front of the seat. Extend the lower anchor strap by pressing on the gray button on the actuator. Make sure that the lower anchor strap lies flat and is not twisted. Ensure that the buckle is in the proper position for your child. If the buckle is in the outermost position, route the strap behind it. If the buckle is in the innermost position, route the strap in front of it. Attach the lower anchor connectors to the lower anchor in your vehicle. Do the same on both sides. Make sure the lower anchor strap is routed under the SnugLock lock-off. Press down on the center of the seat and pull on the free end of the lower anchor strap to remove slack. Once you remove slack, close the SnugLock lock-off. Test for tightness. The seat should not move more than 1 inch side to side or front to back. If it does, open the SnugLock lock-off, remove more slack, and then close the lock-off again and test for tightness. Check the level indicator again. Make sure that the bubble is still in the blue zone. Reattach the seat pad. Move the headrest to the proper position for your child. If using the infant supports, reattach the body support. If not, remove the head support. Now you're ready for baby. Check for proper harness height. Straps should be at or just below the child's shoulders for rear-facing mode. Buckle the child in and attach the chest clip. Tighten the harness. Move the chest clip to armpit level. Do the pinch test. You should not be able to pinch any slack at the child's shoulders.